Want to personalize or secure your Spectrum Wi-Fi? Changing your network name, known as the SSID, and password is key. Your SSID is the name devices see when connecting to Wi-Fi, and a strong password prevents unauthorized access. You can do this easily through the Spectrum app or your modem's web interface. Spectrum emphasizes enhanced security features, such as mandatory WPA3 encryption on newer devices and integration with the Spectrum mobile app for remote management. First, let's use the Spectrum app. Open the app, navigate to Wi-Fi, and select Network Name and Password. Enter your new SSID and a strong, unique password with at least 12 characters, including mixed case, numbers, and symbols. For the web interface method, connect to your Spectrum modem via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a web browser and type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. Log in using the default credentials with username, admin, and password, often password, or the modem's serial number. Navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings and update the SSID and password. Save your changes and reboot the modem. Remember to reconnect your devices with the new credentials after the modem restarts. Pro tip: always use strong, unique passwords. Enable WPA3 if available for better security. Many modems can also change the SSID and password through Alexa and Google Home, making the process even easier.